Happy summer and welcome to Bluebird Day and Eyas Landing. This summer, we expect it to be the busiest summer yet, which means we need your help in ensuring our pickup and drop-off line are as safe and speedy as possible. Please pay close attention to this year's new drop-off and pickup procedure and let us know if you have any questions. This year, we are asking that all caregivers drop off and pick up their child curbside from our loading zone on 310 North Loomis Street. This loading zone is shared by our sister companies, Bluebird Day and Eyas Landing. We ask that all families drive south on Loomis Street, turning from Carroll Street. Please pay attention and pull all the way forward when waiting in the loading zone so that other cars can pull in behind you. During high-volume drop-off times, we will be blocking Loomis Street so that only southbound traffic may enter. During pickup and drop-off, your child will be escorted by our designated staff member to and from the loading zone. All adults should remain in their car during the entire drop-off procedure. This ensures the car line continues to move at a steady pace. Only those cars that are parked against the loading zone curb will have their child escorted to and from the car. Any pickup person who is double parked will be asked to go to the back of the pickup line or park in our parking lot. If your child becomes upset and does not want to leave the car, don't worry. Simply pull all the way forward to the front of the loading zone so our team can take more time with your child. You may also use our parking lot and walk to the front entrance. All authorized pickup persons must have a Bluebird Day or Eyas Landing car tag that matches the child's name tag and client ID. If the hang tag is missing, the pickup person may be asked to park in our lot and present a photo ID to our front desk staff. Be a mindful driver when approaching our loading zone. Please be careful of other cars pulling out ahead of you or behind you, and do not double park your vehicle. Thank you for your time. We appreciate everyone doing their part in keeping our community safe. We can't wait for your child to join us for a fun-filled summer.